Hi, boys and girls. We're going to show you how to complete and submit an assignment in your Canvas account. So the first thing we need to do is go into the Canvas app. And again, mine is at the bottom in the dock of my iPad because we use it a lot.
A lot, Mrs. Mish.
Then I need to find all of my courses, so I'm pushing the blue words, the blue button there, and I'm going into Senora Kratz class. You'll find your teacher, but for this video, we're doing Senora Kratz class. Now, on this screen, we have some words that say Canvas practice. We're going to click on that, and it's going to take us to a practice page. The first one is a PDF, and we are going to start with that assignment. Now, there are a lot of words on this page,
Oof, yeah.
but how do I know where the assignment is?
Well, I know we're usually looking for blue things. So I notice at the bottom, there's a blue thing that says zones. And my teacher told me we're doing a zones assignment.
What about that really big blue bar at the bottom? Like that's
Submit. Well, that must mean when I'm done because submit means turn it in.
Okay. So I'm going to click on those words that have the line that says zones.
Yeah. Oh, here we go, Mrs. Mish.
Okay, well, I remember that my teacher told me that she wanted me to circle how I was feeling on the first day of school. So if you look at the top of your screen, there's a little button that looks like a marker, and we need to click on that marker. And that's going to give us some other tools to use to write or erase or type. There's a T for type.
Okay.
But I'm going to choose the writing tool. And I can change the color if I want to. Orange is my favorite color, so we can do orange.
Anaranjado.
And then I have to click off of that so I can see my PDF. On the first day of school, I'm kind of feeling a little anxious and worried and excited. So I'm going to circle the yellow zone because that's kind of how I felt on the first day of school.
Me too.
Now I'm not done. I have to submit my work. But because I had opened all of those tools, I have to close those tools out. And I do that by clicking on that white box where the marker was.
Oh, right where you started.
Right where we started.
Boom.
So now it's ready to submit. And we have a button right next to that marker that we call the Share.
This is my favorite button. It's Share because it's an arrow that shares your homework.
So we are going to click on the Share. And we are going to find that Canvas button, that Canvas app button.
It's right there, that red circle.
Yes, click on that.
Okay.
And you might say, type your name in.
Okay, Mrs. Mish.
And then look at the top, there's a cancel and that word
Submit.
And we want to submit, which means turn in.
Well, look at that.
And then just like that, your assignment
is done.
Is done.
And I'll know it because it says your assignment was submitted. So all I had to do was use my pen to work on it and use the Share to turn it in.